Welcome to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how to scan documents with notes on your iPhone. So first, get your iPhone. Next, go to the Notes application. Just click on that. And then you can create a new note if you want, or you can use existing note. So in my case, I created one by just clicking the lower right button, like a square with a pencil in it. And then as you can see on the top of my keyboard, there is letter AA, check mark, tables, and camera. Click on camera. And then it will, like your camera will pop up and just ready your document that you want to scan. And as you can see, I'm scanning my document and just like if you are already satisfied with the scanned document, you can just click done on the upper left corner. So basically that is all. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorials.